tayo eh. We are finished with that one eh. Okay, I'll start na, no? Recording na, no? Can we start?
Yes,
So,
sir.
where do we start? Starting point again is what? Line. What is the starting point?
0, 0 po.
0, 0, okay. Kasi nilove ko na yung object, so yung 0, 0 is free. Wala, vacant na siya, no? I move already. Okay? Okay, this is the line. So, this is 0, 0. Okay. We now have the horizontal line, and then what else do we need? Yung line, inclined line, ano? Inclined line. How much is the angle? Alam mo yung angle? 45 degrees? Take note, 45 degrees. What is the length of the line? If this is 20, say, assume lang tayo, say 100 na kagad. Assume natin 100. So line, again, line is 0, 0. Okay, distance is at, ang distance, assume lang tayo, approximately 80, say 80 mm. Then I will specify, guys, yung angle. No? If towards to the right, 0 siya, di ba? Polar. If the line that we want is 45 degrees. So at 45. Okay? Tama ba? Hold on. Again, line 0, 0. Okay, at 80, angle is 45. Ayun, guys, can you see? So, medyo mas maiksi ng konti. I-move ko lang to. Grip, I'll just grip. So, now we have the guidelines. This is the guidelines. I'll just change the color para hindi nakakalito. Just natin color nito mga to. Number 8 should be 8. And then yung line type, we follow LP type, line type. LP scale. I'll just change the line type scale. Okay. Or 5 lang. LP scale, if you want to change the scaling of the line types. 5. Okay. Pwede na siguro to. Or 3 lang. Or 2. 2 lang. Line type 2. Okay. 2 lang. Okay, this is good. Then I'll just, this one, so this line type, I'll just copy the line type here. I will match the property. Match prop. Match property. Ang command is match property. I will match this line type saka yung color with yung second line natin, match prop. Match property. Okay, I will match this one here. No, para madali siya mabasa. We know already this is a guideline or center line. Diba? I'm using center line, no? Okay. So now we can start the object. Then what? What is the next step? What do we draw, guys?
Circle, sir.
Circle. But in the circle, you need a center point, diba, to draw the circle. Tama, very good. Circle, you're correct. But how do you draw the circle? You need to specify the center point, diba? Where is the center point? From the center lines, from the guidelines. What is the center point, guys? Hello? How do we, yung center point ng circle is not on the 0, 0. This is 0, 0 on our horizontal line and inclined line. That is 0, 0. I decided to make this one 0, 0. Actually, you can do here center line dito. But I choose this one as a 0, 0. So how do you now make the center point? Ano yung command kanina? What command did I use here? Offset.
Trim po. Tsaka
No, not trim. No. You need to, ano muna, you need to locate the center point. From this line, what is the point of the circle? From this line, ilan ang measurement niya? You have another dito, may lines pa dito guys. Tingnan niyo. Look at the importance of the lines, yung guidelines guys. Very important talaga.
45 degrees.
How many?
20 ba?
20 lang. So 20 distance, you need to offset this line to this one by 20, di ba? Offset. And this line, this inclined line, to 20 rin. No? Tama. Who answered that one? Very good. 20. Now we do now. So this is the guidelines. That's why guidelines is very important. Offset, ang command, offset. What is the distance? 20. Then 20 here. Okay, you follow guys? Okay, we can actually trim this one para hindi malito. It's very complicated na yung guidelines. We need to trim or fillet. Pwedeng trim guys, T-R-I-M. I-trim natin ito. Oh, we need this one lang. Look at the object. Tingnan natin yung object again. Diba? This line is trim. Or we can use undo. We can use fillet ko man naman. Fillet. Dami na natutunan today fillet. This and this line. Nag-fillet siya. So you have two ways. Either trim or fillet. Na binawasan ko lang. Fillet. As in fillet of fish. F-I-L-L-E-T.
Okay.
Fillet. Tama ba? Perfect yun. Or yung trim, we can trim this border and this border. I'll trim this item, this side I'll trim, and this side I'll trim. Na parang hair, you're trimming your hair. Yung bangs niya, girls, di ba? Okay. Now I know already my circle, my center point, di ba? The purpose of these guidelines is to help me locate the center point. So on site, guys, ganyan din mangyayari. The carpenter will locate your center point. Okay, so this is the center point. So what is the command? What do we need to draw now? What is the what's next, guys? What is next? Circle. Circle. Thank you. Very good. Nag-listen sila. Circle. Okay, so take note again of the instruction of AutoCAD. Select center point. So this is the center point. Yun ang purpose, guys. So and then AutoCAD is asking us what is the radius. Anong radius, guys?
20.
20.
20.
Thank you. Okay, so this is your line. And then what else? Next is what? We need to remove other parts of the circle. What is the command? To remove? Trim. Very good. Trim. T-R-I-M. Parang buhok nga, bangs ng babae. We will trim. Select cutting edges. Ang cutting edges is this one. Kaya guidelines na important And this one. Diba? So, what side? Meron pa bang edges? Do we need more cutting edges? Meron pa ba? Enough na itong dalawa, diba?
Wala na po.
Diba? Yan yung cutting edges. Okay? So, enter. You need to press enter. So, what side? This side or this side? Sa tawag titrim, this, left side or right side?
Left side.
Left side dito.
Right side.
Trim natin ito, right side.
Right side.
Okay. Right side, yes. Okay, so now what else? This is a guideline, guys. Hindi pati yung line. This is not the actual object, no? So what else do we need?
Line.
Line. Very good.
Line po.
Line. So just press here. And then, no need to enter the, you just snap on. You just need to snap. Diba yung endpoint snap? Snap here. And ito rin, snap. Line din dito. Line. I'm snapping on the endpoints and then endpoints again here. Snap. You still remember what that, guys? That pause snap. This is very important tool. Pause snap. On-screen snap. I'm using only 3. Endpoints, center point, and intersection. No? Kasi if you will select all, malilito na siya. And also yung malilito ka na. AutoCAD is parang ano din naman yan, it's artificial intelligence. So you need to understand. If you select all, ikaw din mahirapan, di ba? Common is endpoint and intersection. This is common and circle common. So I'm choosing this one. Okay. Again, we will change the color and match prop, just match prop. Match properties. Match prop. Because we need this color to be, to stand out. Now, thicker lines siya dapat. Again, I'll show you again. The object. Diba? We need this to be highlighted, this line. Okay? Okay. So far, any question? Number 2. Number 2 pa lang tayo yan. Anong oras na? Patay tayo niyan. What else? Can you follow, Ortelo? May AutoCAD ka ba, Ortelo?
Sir, nasa circle pa lang po.
Guys, you need to practice.
Sorry, the
Important.
centered line, sir, nawala kami.
Okay, but you can review the tape na. We do now that maubusan tayo ng oras, guys. Mahirap yung iba. Ha?
Okay lang po, sir.
Okay. Basically, the same naman ng 1, 2, 3. No? 1, 2, 3 is almost the same. No? Again, for number 3, iba naman yung degrees niya. It's not 45 degrees. It's how many? In line? 120.
20 po.
Okay? So, yung procedure natin in 1, 2, 3 is almost the same. Okay? Sige nga. I'll check nga. I'll move this one again, ha? Move ko itong dalawa, ha? Move. Move. No? So, yung 0 natin is always free. I'm just moving, no? Okay, this is enough. Okay. Sige nga, what do we do first? What do we construct first? Ano nga important lines in any drawings? What is the most important lines?
Guidelines po.
Guidelines. Okay. Horizontal lines, and this one incline line. No? Okay, so we need line. At 0, 0 again, 0, 0. Okay, this line. Again, I'll do another line again on 0, 0. Okay. How many distance? We assume it to be 80 or 100. We make it 100 now. Distance. Angle is how much? 1.
120.
Okay. Okay, this one. Okay. Masyado mahaba ito isa. Okay, I'll just match the property para we can clearly see yung guidelines. Match prop. Okay. So we know that this is just imaginary. You don't need to construct. This is just a guide. Okay? Okay, what's next? Ano next? So far, so good, ha? Galing. What is the next step, guys? Sige nga. Miss Alcohol.
Center point.
Center line. Yes, correct. Miss Tisha, how do we know how to find Miss Tisha Antoinette? How do we locate the center point of the circle? Miss Tisha, nandiyan ba si Miss Tisha? Baka walang computer itong mga to, ha? Guys, Tisha, wala. Ilan lang yung nagpa-participate, si Joaquin, Roberto. Tisha, wala. Angela,
Offset po
right.
ba, sir?
Yes, offset. Thank you, Joaquin. At yung mga to, attentive eh. Ba't kaya yung iba, nasaan?
Sir, ba kayo sa president?
Roland, wala ang camera, Roland?
Meron po, sir. Pero, sige.
Nagtitipid sa data. Okay, very good Joaquin na. Pero let others din participate I'll call guys, pagka hindi kayo parang wala kayo sa upuan. Nawala na si Joaquin, nag-off na lang camera. Tisha, nasa ka si Tisha?
Sir,
Okay, nandyan ka. Akala ko nawawala ka, ha?
dun pa ako sa last tinatry ko lang po.
Okay, so sabi ni Joaquin, we need to locate yung center point na circle. So, how do we do that one?
Offset, sir.
Offset. Sino nagsali? Salita si Roland ba yan? Roland?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Roland. So, offset. Very good. What is the distance? Offset. Offset distance. How much? How much?
25 po.
25, sir.
Very good. Sino may babae na yun?
Ako, sir.
Si
po.
Tisha. Okay, Tisha. Nandiyan naman pala si Tisha. Next, Trisha, ha? Ikaw naman, Trisha, ha? Tingnan natin mga girls. Okay, very good, Tisha. 25, Offset. 25. This line, and this line, di ba? Correct? Okay, Miss Tricia. Miss Tricia Ocampo, what is the next step, Tricia?
Sir, yes, sir.
Anong next step? What is the next command? Well, nagpapaturo sa mga classmates niyo, oh.
Circle na, sir.
Circle na, sir.
Circle, sir.
Circle.
Circle. Tama, circle. Guys. Circle. Guys, dito, free kayo mag-ask dito, ha? Last time, meron nag-PM sa akin. Pasensya na, guys, doon sa Sunday ata nag-PM sa akin. Sino yan? Joaquin, ikaw ba yan, Joaquin? Huwag kayo magagalit sa akin pagka doon sa reply ko, ha? Minsan kasi
Yung ano po, sir? Ay,
may
hindi po
nag-message sa akin. Sino ba yung
hindi
nag-message
po
sa
ako
akin?
ng PM, sir.
Rhea, sino ba yung nag-message sa akin noon? Huwag magagalit sa akin ng sino.
Ano
Rhea.
yung yung lalaki po?
Nag-message sa akin, wala private time and medyo medyo busy lang ako doon. And again, guys, okay huwag kayo magtatampo, ha? So then, you can ask any question you like, ha? Sino yan? Anong pangalan niya?
Si Paulo po ata yun.
Si? Paulo. Yes, Paulo. Nasa si Paulo? Paulo Adjova? Adjova ba? Tama ba, Paulo? Are you here?
Sir, ako po yun.
Paulo Castro. Pasensya ka na, Paulo, ha?
Sir,
Walang
okay lang.
pipit, ha? Okay. Ba't ngayon hindi ko nagtatanong? Ha? Okay. Sige. Ngayon meron tayong time, line. Circle. Circle. So, ang center point natin is this one, intersection, di ba? That's why we created we offset the guidelines to locate the center point. Okay, what is the radius again? Paulo? Adjova. What is, Castro, sorry, Castro. Paulo Castro, what is the radius?
25, sir.
25. Okay. Next, what do we do? Shaira Grace.
Trim po, sir.
Trim, okay, Derek. Sige, thank you. Shaira, next ha. Ikaw naman ha. Trim, what line? What is the... Tama yung sinabi ni, ni Derek. Trim where? Which line? Wala siya. Shaira, Grace. Yung iba ata, naka-on lang pero wala namang not presently, Shaira. Trixie, Miles, Cruz. Hello, Trixie. Wala din. Baka iba naka-on lang yung camera pero wala naman actually present. Which line do we choose to trim?
Sa left side, sir.
This one. And what else? Ito lang ba ang trim border natin? Trimming ang cutting edge natin. Ito lang ba cutting edge natin? Meron pa ba? Do we need more? Do we need one more?
Nasa baba, sir.
This one. Yes, correct. Very good. Kasi we're doing okay. Trim again. Trim. This one. Okay, very good. So far, magaling kayo dito. Tingnan natin doon sa yung 4 and 5. Doon kayo mahihirapan. No? Okay, correct. So, ano pang kulang natin dito in this drawing? What do we need pa?
Line, sir.
Line. Very good. Attentive, Tingnan natin kung kanyang kakagaling mamaya. Sino man sumasagot ngayon? Guys, dito, pwede kayo mag-nearest. No? If you can put nearest, pwedeng endpoint or nearest lang. Kahit yung gusto. Then again, to change yung properties, yung ma-match natin. Match prop. Properties ng line. Match prop. Tama ba? Match prop. This one. Ma-match natin dito para we can see. This one and this one. Okay, so we're done with 1, 2, 3. Finish na. Itong difficult part. Sige, tingnan natin galing nyo. Paulo. Sino pa magagaling nyo? Joaquin? Otelo, ha? Tingnan natin galing nila. Ito, sige nga. What do we do first? What line do we draw first? Ano important lines again? What is the most important line?
Guideline, sir.
Guidelines. Which guideline? This one, yung pinaka center point. No? The center point, Okay, line. 0, 0. Okay, line. 0, 0. Okay, we just move this line para maging center line siya. And then this line, we just extend. Okay na, pwede na yun, And match property para clear. Match prop. Okay. Yung pagka-gray niya, hindi clear masyado. We choose different color na lang. Yellow. Para clear. Hindi masyado clear Yung icon, you can choose this icon, match prop. Kung ayaw nyo mag-type, you can choose this icon, match prop. So, to change lang, para makita natin yung clearly yung guidelines. Ang ganda po yung exercise na to, guys. Every time I have Viscom 1 subject, yan ang tinuturo ko, and CAD. Ang ganda ng foundation nito. Ang ganda ng foundation. Kasi nag-iisip na kayo, and you learn the commands. Para siyang puzzle. Okay. Now we have the centerline grids, This is clear. Anong next? Otelo, sige nga. For you, anong next step natin? What is the best second step? Otelo? How about si Joaquin? Joaquin, sige, Joaquin.
Ay,
Ah? Anong magandang next step?
Yung line po na may 45 degrees sa baba, sir.
Tama, correct. But no, not actually. Because paano mo lulukit itong line na to? Saan ang point niya? Given ba ang
Dun-
point?
Yun
Saan siya
po sa
mag-start?
guideline, sir, na sa y-axis po.
Ito, vertical, yes. Meron siyang vertical. Yun, given. That is given. Pero yung horizontal point niya, yung this one, from this horizontal line, anong distance niya? Given ba?
Hindi po, sir.
Wala. Di ba? That's why,
Radius lang po.
that's why you cannot do that one, ha?
Okay po,
So,
sir.
ang next step is, yung obvious lang muna, madali. What is the easiest way?
Yung circle na malaki po.
Circle, sir.
Yes, very good. Sino yan? Circle. Sino nagsabi nun? Sino nagsabi nung, sino? Marshall. Tama, circle, ha? Si Marshall ba nagsabi nun? Circle is how much? Ilan ang radius?
30 po. 30 radius po. 30 millimeters.
Okay. Circle, I'll start at the intersection, this one. Ay, intersection. Here, intersection, ano? 30? Sure ka? 30? Okay. I'll check the drawing first. Yes, 30. Galing. Okay? So we now have yung circle, guys, you consider this one also is a guidelines din siya. You can consider. So we can change that line type. Change what? We consider that one as guideline muna. We need guidelines eh. Okay? So wala pa siyang object. Oh, next, what is the next step? Even you try this one in manual drafting, guys. Magandang exercise to. You try doing in manual. No, drafting. What is the next step? Remember yung offset lines, yung offset command. Very, very important yun. The offset lines to locate yung center point. Puzzle yan, guys, puzzle. So you now have the horizontal lines here. You now have given na ang horizontal line, given na ang vertical lines, and given na ang circle. What is the next step?
Offset.
Offset which line? Tama, very good.
Vertical line.
Vertical line, alin ng vertical line? Not vertical line.
Ito yung diagonal pala.
Diagonal, yes. By how much? Sino
30
nagtagit?
po. 30 po.
20, Mario Tony. Thank you so much. 20.
po, sir.
Maritoni. Oh, hold on. Wala pa tayong diagonal lines, Maritoni. Sorry. Medyo slightly.
Ano po?
Wala pa tayo. How do you do the diagonal lines?
Line po.
Wala. Sinabi na ni Pauli yan kanina.
20,
Joaquin. Joaquin already mentioned yung diagonal lines. But ang missing dito, meron kang missing point eh. Yung yung y-axis wala siya eh. Anong next step? So, diagonal lines, hindi mo magagawa to.
Offset
Ano?
po muna ng horizontal.
Yes, yung horizontal ma-offset mo. Lang how much? By how much? Given
30
ba?
po.
20, sir.
30.
30? Hindi naman siya tumama sa 30. Ito, 30.
Eh, ano po ba ginagawa?
Kasi po na ito, radius siya, di ba? If you offset the horizontal line by 30, dito lang siya. Eh, saan nag-start ang
20, sir.
diagonal line?
20.
20. Hindi rin eh. Hindi
15.
rin, guys. Ito, guys, add and subtract. Simple add and subtract. You have 30 here. Di ba? So, ito, 30 to, di ba? We have given already na 30. Ilan yung circle dito? What is the radius?
20.
20. So 30 plus 20 is
50.
50. Yan yung distance to locate this one. Okay, hold on ha. Offset 50. Tingnan natin kung tama ako ha. So, ano lang, imagine nyo lang guys ha. Kasi basta hindi pa given yung mga points, hindi mo pwede ilagay. Ano? Hindi pwede mong hula. Yung, in AutoCAD guys, ito pa ha. In AutoCAD, you need to be accurate. Ang unang first concern natin, accuracy. Kasi computerized eh. It's not manual drawing. So you need to be very, very accurate. Ha? And then next step is, next concern natin is we need to be fast. Ngayon, hindi niyo pa kailangan to be fast. No? Baguhan pala kayo eh. And organize. In AutoCAD, to be fast, you need to be organized. Okay, again, the graphics. I'll show the graphics again. So 30 here, 50. So this one, 50. So on the other side, how much?
45.
45. Very good. Offset 45. Okay. What else? Ano pang missing dito sa left side? This left side, we concentrate on the left side. Can we do this circle, guys? So we know this is 45, this vertical lines. Now 45. What else? Do we need to offset? Offset. Joaquin, sige. Kaya mo yan.
Ito yung horizontal line.
Yes. By how much?
By 15 po.
Very good. Kasi tangent siya lagi. It's always on the quadrants. Now, these are the tangent points. Tangent. Offset by 15. Okay, very good. Next, Joaquin, Otelo, what is the next step? We now have the center point here. We know this is the center point. What is the next step, Otelo?
Circle na po, sir.
Circle, thank you. Circle. Circle, how much is the diameter?
$15 po.
15. Parang may sablay ako ah. May dumikit oh. May mali ako guys. This is 45, ano? Offset 45. Parang may sablay ako ah. Hold on ha. Undo. Papaya ako sa inyo ah. Tingnan natin. Review. So this is 30 plus 15. Okay. So tama. Tama siya. Hindi siya mali. Pero dito parang mali. Offset 45. And dito is how much? Offset 15. Tama naman. Para may mali tayo guys. Ano kaya? $15 ang circle, di ba?
Sir, baka po 40 lang.
Ha?
Baka po 40 lang.
Okay, this is 30 plus 15 is 45. Tama siya, 45. And this is 15. Nakalimutan ko na. Kahit ako, nakalimutan ko na. Hold on na. So this is 50, no? 50. May mali ata ako guys ha. Ba't hindi siya nag-tangent oh guys?
Sir, dapat ba didikit yung circle dun sa main?
Yes. Hindi. Ito, tama. Mali yung center point ko guys. Mali oh. Circle. Hindi ako naka-center point. Nakita nyo guys? Ando ah. Nakita nyo? May error ko. This one, center point ko is not on the circle oh.
Oo nga, sir.
Okay. So doon ako sumabray. Circle. How important guys yung center point is on the intersection ha. 15. Oh,
Sir,
parang
di pa
mali
rin.
pa rin. Ah, mali pa rin. Tingnan natin ito
Sir,
isa.
hindi po talaga.
Ha? Ito, check natin to. Circle. Saan nyo rin? Drawing nyo rin?
Ako hindi po, sir.
Diba?
Hindi
Opo, sir,
tumatama.
naka-center point po, hindi po tumatama.
Hold on, I will check yan. Sandali lang. 30 ba ito talaga? Is this 30? $130 siya, di ba? Circle. Okay, hold on na guys, ha. 30. Okay,
Sir, di kaya nagkadikit lang siya kasi kumapal po yung lines.
hindi. Hindi, accurate ang AutoCAD eh. Ba't kaya natin mamaya? Maubos ang time natin ha? Mamaya later ha? We skip that one first. Give up muna ako dyan.
Number 5 naman, sir.
Number 5 muna. Yes. Move ko muna ito. Move. Erase na natin kagad. Totally erase na lahat. Okay? Number 5 ba? This one 5. Medyo madali-dali ito. Okay, so we need to do this line muna, no? Because ito yung reference point ng lahat eh, no? Guys, tingnan nyo ha. All the dimensions is based on this point. So we need to draw this line. Ito yung 0, 0. Okay, line 0, 0. Line 0, 0 din. Much prof ko lang ano. Yung dimensioning next time ko natuturo ha, in dimensionings. So this one, we can use this one. Okay, what's next? Okay, we now have this line, this baseline. Dito naka-base lahat eh. This is 35, I think 35 and 85. Next, what is the next step? What do we do? Circle, pwedeng offset, yes, pwede rin. Okay, 35, offset, 35, tama ba?
Yes po.
Okay, pwede rin. Okay, pwede rin circle kagad. Ano yung circle? What is the circle? Circle is line radius, 85? Okay, 85. 85 daw. Okay, this is 85. So we now have 35 here. Malabo kasing graphics eh. Then here is how much? 20. Okay, we now have 35. Then we have 20 pa. 20. Okay. Ano na doon? Okay. What else? Hirap pala yung number 4. Mas mahirap pala. Ito, madali lang ito kasi. So this is 20, and this is 85. Okay, hold on. Okay guys, nakikita nyo ito. There's a arc here. Oh. Can you see this one?
Yes po.
Okay. So this is you can use this line guys. Actually, this is a hint na siya, no? So we know this is 20. Not 20 yung radius dito. 85 minus 20 is
65.
65. So we have another circle. Again, that circle is a guideline, di ba? Circle. How many? 65? Tama? Okay, we change the properties, ano? This. Ayun, yun yung naalala ko na. We can do now number 4. Alam ko na. Tapusin lang na muna natin to. So, knowing that circle, this one, nag-intersect siya dito, di ba? This is the center point of this circle. So, we know that this is 20, and the radius is 20, we can now start, and this is 65, di ba? Where is that one? This here, no? This is the center point. We can trim. I can trim, ha? Trim ko na para hindi nakakalito. We will trim. Trim. And trim here. Okay? This is the center point of how much? Circle. How much is the diameter? Radius? 20. No?
20.
20.
20. Thank you, guys. So, medyo madali, di ba, guys? Ayan na. Tapos na natin. Trim. Trim on this side and trim on this side. Tama ba? Okay. And actually, you can also trim here. Yes, you can trim here. And here. Okay? So this is the center point. Match prop natin para clear ang object. This is the line and this one. Then you can do the circle again. Circle. Okay guys, you follow? Madali lang, no? We can now go back to that isang object, 85. Okay. Send to back natin ito para visualize. Send to back. Okay, what else? Is it complete na? Do we need more? What is the missing point, guys? Line, this line. This line is missing. Okay, that line. We change it to color blue para parehas yung line type. Okay. So, we can now proceed with number 4. Yun yung nakalimutan ko. We try again, number 4. Okay, this one, guys, we forgot to put. Nakita nyo to, there's a circle, oh. So, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle. Gets nyo, guys? We can start now again. Line. Or we copy this line. Copy ko lang to na CP, copy. 200. Ayaw niya. Copy. 0, 0. May patong-patong pa rin siya dito. Ayaw. Okay, align na lang. Kulit niya. Kung sa ayaw gumana. Okay, this is our base, this is our grid. Okay, we go back to number 4, ha? Take note, guys, meron siyang, there's a arc here, circle pa. So, 3 circles, you need 3 or 5 circles pala. We need 5 circles. First circle is this one, 30. Circle. Okay, then we match the properties. Then what else you need? This is 15. Yung line, this line offset. 15. Yung diagonal, hindi given ang diagonal. Not given. But what is given is this line, we cannot build this line. No? Unless we build this this intersection. So again, this is given. We have basis 15. And this circle is how much? Radius 30 plus 15 is
45.
45. Ganun natin ginawa natin kanina, no? Ayaw lang gumana.
Pero sa kaliwa po, radius is 15. Tapos sa kanan po, radius is 20.
15. Hold on. Circle. $45. Okay, this one here. And sa kanan is how much? So here is 30 plus 20. This one. Circle. $50 dito, no? 50. Okay, so this is the intersection. We reduce the circles na. We trim the circles. Trim. Para it's not confusing. Okay. And then trim here, this circle, we need to trim. Para hindi kayo malito, you remove unnecessary lines. Okay. We go back to the drawing. Okay. So we know this one, we already have this one and this line. We try this one. So circle is 20, we need to put circle. We know this line. Okay, wala pa. This is 15. And this is 15. Oh, this we do this one first. Okay. Gets ko na, guys. Okay, can you follow? We need to draw a line 45 degrees. Line 45. Tama, no? We just need to draw a line muna here. Somewhere. At say 10 ang length niya. Angle is 45. Anywhere lang muna. Then you need to put this line on this point, guys. But this is actually higher. 30 plus 20. Okay, offset natin ulit. So offset 50. Okay, this one. Nahihirapan ako dito sa saan ko. Nakalimutan ko na. How about here? 15 here. Try nga natin. 15. Circle. 15. Ayun guys, nag-intersect na kanina mali. Kasi ang ginawa natin kanina is 45 in line. Nagganto tayo kanina eh. Yun ang mistake ko kanina. No? Can you follow? So ito tama na siya. Now our next problem is this one. Okay, so we know this is correct. This one, this. Now, ang problem is this one. Where do you locate this? How do you locate this one?
45 po ata dun, sir, simula doon sa pinakababa. 45 degrees po na diagonal.
Yes, tama. Yung this one, but yung exact location niya, this one, is not given. Pero nagtatangent siya dito. This one is not given kasi yung x is given, di ba? X. Pero yung y, negative y, hindi siya given. Can you follow, guys? Di ba? Kaya we cannot make this line. This one I think we can do this line. Kasi we know the circle. Ito, and then what is next? And we try this one. 30 and 20, di ba? So yun ang so this line, move. This is 45 degrees. Now, dito siya. Or where? Here. Try na lang natin, ha? Tama ba? Ito kung nahihirapan dito. Grabe, ah. Okay, we move this one here. Okay, nalilito ako kasi dito. Wait, hold on. Nalilito ako kasi gawa nito line na to. Okay. Kaya you need to remove kasi yung lines. Para hindi kayo ma-confuse. This line, we can remove. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, this is correct. And this line is correct. Now, what we need is this diagonal line. But we know that, okay, we try. This is 30, and then this is 20. Ganun din sa baba. Okay. Circle. Hindi pa po akong dito. Mamaya na nga ito. Mamaya ito. Sorry guys. Nakalimutan ko na. We continue with other one. Next will be this one. Ito madali lang to. Ito yung number 4 ang nahirapan ako. Okay guys, we have 2 circles na, no? So you need to have the vertical lines and then the 2 horizontal lines first. So line. Along ano rin, 0. Then we need any line somewhere, any line here. And what is the distance of the 2 lines? Distance of 2 lines is 75, no? This one. Make this line grid line. So offset 75 is this, okay? Masyado mahaba, too long. Okay. Then what is next? Nawala na sila, umalis na. Okay. So next is I'll do up to here lang, no. Yung iba is you do at home, no, because it's all already 2 hours na, no. The circle. How much is the circle? 20.
20, sir, tsaka 35.
Okay. Sige, i-guide nyo lang. Saka this one is 35. 35 here.
30 po, 30 ata.
30 ba? 35? What?
30 po.
30 lang. Okay. What else? So we have 20, 30, and then take note of this line, no? We have 95 here. But this endpoint is not given. Pero meron kang hint. You have a hint. There's a circle here. Na meron siya circle dito, measured here. So 75 minus 20. No. Sorry, it's 95 minus 20. How much?
75 cents.
Tama. So you need circle here. 75. Gawin natin lahat except yung isa, last part, hindi ko kabisado pa yan. Mamaya. And this one is how much? Sige nga. 95 minus how much? 95 minus
30.
30. How much? 65. Tama ba? So this is the center point, guys. Gets nyo? You follow? Madali pa pala itong nasa baba. Kasi pinakamahirap pala isa, no? And we trim these lines. Ang dami kasi lines eh. We need to clean the drawings muna. Okay. Okay, so this is the center point, circle. How much? Radius. 95. Yun na, guys. You follow? I need to do lang muna yung iba, no? And then, it's up to you na, no? Okay, this is clear, ha? Very clear, ha?
Yes, sir.
Remove ko siya, here. And then I'll remove other lines, okay? I forgot to change the line type. Okay, next is, para mabot tayo sa time. And this one is also the same. 75 din, no? Try 75. Offset 75. How many is the circles? Radius. So 35 here and 25. Okay. 5 sa taas na. 35 and 25 here. Okay, so what else? And this one is not given. But again, guys, meron siyang circle dito, no? Meron siyang hint. So, how do you get the radius of this one, guys? 25 plus 25 plus. Okay, tama. How much? Circle is 25 plus 25 is 50. Oh, yung kabila, how much? 25 plus
60.
60.
okay. Plus 35, no? So 60. Dali lang yan ang iba, no? Yung isa lang medyo mahirap. Balikan natin mamaya. Okay, kayo na. On your own na. Hindi ko kaya, guys, eh. Mas magaling kayo sa akin, ha? May 1 week kayo. So this is 60. Okay, then circle is i-trim. Trim muna. Trim. Sobrang complicated na. Okay, this is clear now. So circle, how much is the circle? 25 ba yun? 25. Okay guys, perfect siya. Oh. Follow. Kasi yan, no? Madali lang, ha? Ando. Okay, last. Ano? Copy ko lang, city. Then, dismiss na tayo. Classes is dismiss na. This one, last na lang. So, one lang to solve at home. I will leave number 4. So, 75 again is the lines, ano? So, we have 25 and 30. Circle. 25 and 30. Okay, what else? 25 and 30. So, this is given 70, no? No, not given, but may hint. You have hint here. 70 minus how much? To get the circle, 75 minus 25. Guys, this one, no? Circle, how much is that one? 45? 45? And what else? 70 plus how much? 30. No, 70 plus this one, 30 is 100. Okay. Measured where? Here. Okay, we have now the, except for number 4, ha. Take mo lang ba yun? Kaya nyo na, guys, yun? Try lang nyo, ha. You try, ha. Medyo siguro na ako, pagod na rin siguro, ha? Nag-give up ako, guys, ha. Grabe. Para may, naman kayo, at least may 1.1, may something to solve kayo. Hindi ko binigay lahat. How much is this one? 70. Okay, it's perfect, guys, oh. Clear? Ayan, siya lahat, oh. Okay? So that's our lesson for today. Marami kayong dyan techniques, ha? Again, I will leave number 4. Medyo mahina ako, pasensya na kayo. At least you have one item to solve. Walang daya dyan, guys. Meron lang technique, proper technique. Nakalimutan ko lang. Ha? Any question? Gusto nyo ba i-solve talaga o wag na? Kayo na.
Wag na, sir.
Ha? Hindi nyo kaya?
Hindi kaya.
Hindi kaya, sir.
Kaya na, sir. Kaya na tayo, sir.
I will do that. Sige, I will do that. Pero hindi ba guess nyo?
Ikaw nga, sir. Nakagod na.
Sige, hindi ako mag-give up. Kaya ko yan.
Sir, napagod ako sa kakasunod, sir.
Nakalimutan mo lang, sir.
Sir, nawala na ako sa lahat, sir.
Guys, gagawin ko na.
Stop na kami dyan. 1, 2, 3.
Kala nyo naman.
Stop sa number 3, sir.
1, 2, 3 lang kaya, sir.
Napagod na kami.
Sir, 1, 2, 3 na lang, sir.
Please. Guys, importante ito. It's recorded naman so you can study. Pinapakita sa yung madali. Actually, madali din yung 4. Siyempre, medyo din ako, medyo tao din ako, di ba? So, I have supply. Human lang din. But I will try again. Gusto niyo ba gawin ko na? I'll try again. Okay, try again now. Sige na. Kaya to. Nahirapan kasi dalawang monitor maghiwalay, okay? Kala nyo kasi, nagbigipok pa yung agad eh. Ito na. Line. 0, 0. Okay, no? Okay, this is our guidelines. Focus. We need to focus lang kasi minsan Focus. Okay, this is the line. We need the circle. Center point. Nawala yung graphics ko. Okay, so it's 35. Baka kasi mali yung dimensions eh. Okay, so it's 30 nga ba talaga? Mukha naman 13 eh. Tama, mukhang 30 naman, 30. $30. Okay, and then we offset by 15. And then we offset, change the line dito. And then we need to offset by 30 plus 20 offset by 50 nga. So, matawa 50. Okay. Okay, this one, we have this line na. So we need circle here. $15 plus 20 circle. Okay, I'll make the circle now. Circle. Circle this here, it's easy. Circle is 15. Oh, hold on, mali. 45. Okay, I'll trim this first. Okay, so circle. Here it's 45 lang. 30 plus 15 is 45. So this one should be here. I'll just move. Okay. Nakita niyo yung ginawa ko, move yun. Without typing any command, you can move any object. Ito, without command, you can move. Oh. I'll just grip on the center and then put on the intersection. That is grip command. Okay, so we now have, ito na lang problem sa kabilang side. On the
Click
side.
and click lang po yan.
Oh, you select the object, this one, I'll select this one. And then this one, you can adjust the arc. Because this is an arc, you can just adjust. Or you can select whether to move. Then you can right-click, move, mirror. It's so many commands without any without typing command. Right-click nyo lang. This one, you can increase the diameter or you can move. Move. Okay? Ganun lang. Mga shortcut techniques. Okay, going back here, nawawala na ako. Line. Ang problem dito is yung location ng itong circle na ito isa. Okay, say offset by 30 plus 50 or 50, offset by 50. Offset 50. I'll try. Oh, hindi eh. Ang pwedeng gawin dito guys is yung segment. This is a segment, ano? Mukhang nasa midpoint siya, oh. Yung tangent eh. But I think it's hindi yun yung proper way eh. Yes, we can put a line. Another technique yun, guys, kaso hindi advisable eh kasi parang daya yun eh. At 12 angle 45 degrees. Line at 10 angle is 45. Okay. Pwede kong gawin dito, guys, is we will trim this one. No? But again, this is parang daya ng konti. Move this line and midpoint. Midpoint here. Then we will use this line. Yun na nga. 10. Okay? Slightly daya. Hindi naman siya, exacto pa rin siya. It's still it's still accurate, but let's see. So, ganyan, ano? So, circle. How much is the circle? Offset by 20. Offset by 20. Okay, medyo sablay ng konti ito. So, I'll move this line to the midpoint of the arc. Midpoint of this arc. No? And extend the line. Extend is EX, extend to that point. Then this line will be offset by 20. Offset by 20. Okay, then we have the circle. Circle here is how much? 20. Tama ba? Let's see. Now we can extend. Ayun, tama. Tama na siya, guys. Ito, this is the one. May tumama siya, kaso medyo slightly daya. Because this line, ginawa ko siyang arc, no, this circle here, ginawa ko arc. And then yung line I put on the center. No? Can you follow, guys? Nandiyan pa kayo? Did you get? Wala na sila.
Dito pa po, sir.
Hindi pa rin po masyado, sir. Hirap pa rin po. Panoorin, i-review na lang yung recording.
Yes, okay.
Sir, record na lang.
Okay, tama.
Sir, hirap talaga, sir.
Hindi, sa una lang. Guys, pero yun nga, mahirap. Lahat ng mahirap matututo kayo. This is perfect exercise to guys. Talagang effective. Kahit manual, gawin nyo sa manual drawing. Mag-drafting kayo. I-measure nyo using compass. Ang ganda exercise. Matututo kayo. Guys, remember, hindi ako magbibigay ng hindi importante. You need to learn this one, ha? And you need to be accurate kasi, ha? You need to learn, you understand the importance ng guidelines. This is very, very important, ha? So, okay na yan? Or we try another technique? Okay, this is the one. So, yun na. Tapos na siya. Lahat siya nag-intersect ko. Okay. Extend ko to isa. Pili. Parang sablay. Hindi, gano'n. Let's see this one. Ayun, no? Hindi siya sablay. Tama. Nag-intersect siya lahat. So, tugma lahat. That is one technique. Let's try another one, CP. Para kasi mali yung sistema na yun. Hindi naman sa mali. Ano lang, daya. Using AutoCAD, madali Ang daya ko sa diagonals. Yun ang naging problem Medyo madaya yung diagonal na yun. So this line is not important para itong line na to. So circle. 45. Yun, so tama siya, no? 45. Yung left side, okay naman. Yung right side lang eh. This right side is, this one is 50. 52 isa, no? Yung diagonal lines, how did I get the diagonal lines? Hindi talaga guys, yun talagang paraan. In manual drawing, you use the, you use the 45-degree triangle, manual drafting. So, tama pala. It's the right way talaga. Tama. Okay, I think that's all for today. Any more questions? Or if you can find another way, you can show me next meeting. Explain to me what is your style. Natin. Okay na? Did you get? Yes, pakita ko sa inyo yung, yung signature ng drawing. Fine. Again, this one guys, tingnan nyo ha. I started the drawing September 24, 2020, at 4:22. Tingnan nyo guys.
Di po kita.
Di kita? I stop sharing na no? Okay. Anyway, hindi ko na ituturo sa inyo kasi baka malaman nyo siguro ito pa paano. I will know how if the drawing is exactly the same. You copied. So dalawang tao will get 0 ha. If I found out na exact duplicate ang drawings nyo, I'll give you 0 vote. Ha?
Ilan po gagawin namin?
Ito lang gagawin nyo. Pero ano yun? 1 to, how many yun? 1 to 8?
1 to 8 po.
Oo. Yes.
Separate DWG po ba yung i-upload or
Yes,
isa na lang
DWG.
po?
DWG i-upload nyo.
Separate po ba, sir? Or isa lang po?
Hindi, lahat in one drawing. Lahat ng exercises doon. Ilalagay nyo lahat. Parang ito, this drawing. Ito nga. Hindi pa nakikita? Wala kayo nakikita sa AutoCAD ko?
Hindi, sir. Nakikita na po.
Nakikita nyo ito? This one? Kita nyo ito? AutoCAD?
Yes po.
Okay, I'll show you what is that yung signature ha. Isa pang paraan. Simple, yung date. Date is 24. 4/24 ko in-start. Created at 2:31. Now, 2:31. 2 hours, 31 minutes, 17 seconds. No? PM. And total editing time, running time to eh. Still running time, so mamaya na. Current time is 4:24, no? So if your drawing is exactly the same, you copied. Marami pa. Pati computer name, makikita ko yan. What computer did you use? No? And yung kung sino naka-online, yung pangalan nyo magre-reflect. So, malalaman ko kung nagkopyahan kayo. And both student will get 0. Yung nagpa-kopya sa kayo ng kopya. No more explanation, then ika-guidance ko kayo. Okay? I will report you to the guidance counselor, ha? Recorded yun. Pagka nasa guidance ka, may record ka na, ha? So again, please try to avoid. Our meeting is recorded. You just follow what I did, ha? I just need you to practice on your own. Okay, this is hands-on. You need to submit me your hands-on AutoCAD drawing. Okay? Any more question? Violent reaction?
Sir,
Suggestion? Yes, May?
lahat po gagawin?
Yes po.
Lahat
For
po
1 week. Yes, you need to do. You just,
lang, sir.
hindi po pwede. Again, guys, you need to practice this one kasi yung exam nyo, I'm preparing you for the exam. It's almost the same. Parang ganyan. Guys, You need to think lang. Kasi nga, ang training ko sa inyo, I'm not training you to be draftsman. I'm training you to think as engineers. No? You need to think, paano ko ito papagawa sa komputero. Always think like that, ha? How do I communicate with the carpenters, yung gagawa, yung mga ibang disciplines, with other discipline? Drawing is communication kasi, no? You need to communicate what is your idea, how it is built, no? Kaya we need to be accurate and we need to show them how it's built. Yung how I found the yung center point ng circle, how to find. Yun ang importance niya. Okay guys, so I hope you practice at home and be honest naman ha. Sayang ang in-enroll nyo sa akin, hindi kayo matututo. Guys ha, magaling ang AutoCAD. Again guys ha, this is modern times na. You need to be updated on technology. You need to be updated on latest technology. So if you will not start, AutoCAD is the basic. So this is very good training for you. And then if you learn or you master AutoCAD, madali na ibang softwares. Very easy na for you. Yung foundation ang important. So from exercise number 1 hanggang 8. 8 ba to? How many? 8 ba yun?
5 lang po.
5 lang.
Joke.
Ikaw ha? Eh di pagka 5 lang pinagawa ko sa inyo. Look ha guys, if I will ask you to do 5 only, I'm gagawin ko 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Tapos siguro yung 6, 7, 8. Madali itong iba eh. Walang gagawa ng number 4.
Sige na, sir. Please po.
Guys, I need this one. This is already posted and I need this one. Guys, maniwala kayo, dadali ang trabaho nyo in other subject if you're very good na in AutoCAD. This is how many AutoCAD do you need? In your course, how many AutoCAD ba? Kasi alam ko meron pa kayong next step. May CAD 2 pa ba kayo?
Wala na po.
Wala na, sir.
But in other subject, yung mga design subject you need to submit drawings, di ba? So AutoCAD can help you submit those drawings. Easy. Mabilis ang revision eh. Using AutoCAD, ang revisions is very quick. And then yung trabaho nga is very quick talaga. It's accurate and it's very quick. Para sa inyo to, hindi ko kayo gusto pahirapan, pero you need to learn. Again, yung mga binibigay ko sa inyo is special to mga to. Hindi ko kayo gustong bigyan ng madali, kasi kapag madali, patay ang isip. Guys, yung tamad kasi sa masipag, yung galing at sipag is synonymous talaga yan eh. Hindi ka magaling kung hindi ka masipag. Kung tamad ka, talagang wala kang patay din isip mo. Tamad eh. Diba? So, again guys, huwag ganun ha. Sayang naman. Sayang yung opportunity nyo to learn. Okay? So, I'll end any more question pa? Alam nyo guys, mas mahirap ito eh. Hindi ko na binigay. This is more difficult. Yung nakita nyo kanina, polygons. Kahit in manual drafting, ang hirap nun. This one. This is actually more difficult. Can you see? Yung polygons.
Yes, sir. Nakikita po.
So, yung starting from equilateral triangle, square, lahat ng sides is equal. Lahat. Say 6 meters lahat yan. From triangle to square, pentagon, hexagon, and onwards. Octagon, all 6 meters ang sides. And this is done in manual pa. AutoCAD medyo madali. Automatic na sa AutoCAD eh. Medyo madali.
Sir, mag-picture pa ba tayo?
Yes. Can we somebody take pictures? Guys, Attendance, guys. On your camera. Buti, thank you for reminding me, Otelo. Everybody present na ba? 49. Ayun, no? Magagandang muka, mga poging binata. Okay. Okay, you can also record. Kita niyo ba lahat? Then you can post together with the video, ha? Kung sino yung nauna kanina sa meeting, sa kanya papasok yung Google video. No, kindly check your email and please upload the video on our Facebook page, ha? Okay, guys, yung iba wala, si Angela Rain, hintay lang natin, and Jofit, Humphrey, Turalba, Mr. Turalba, Tricia Ocampo, Maritoni Arbis, Shaira Grace, Gian, Joseph.
Sir, present, sir.
Where is your camera, webcam? Para makilala ka naman ng classmates mo. Ayun, no?
Yan po, sir. Okay.
Okay na? Nakikita niyo yung bike ko sa likod, dalawa bike ko. Sino lang bikers dito? BMX. Saka may road bike ko sa baba.
Giant step.
Ano, this is BMX. Fan ako ng BMX eh. Yung gusto ko nalalaro eh. Yung sa baba is road bike. Mountain bike hindi ako masyado mahilig. Bago pa yung sa premium. Subway. Okay na guys. Si Tricia, wala pa. Yun, dalawa pala kay Tricia. Maritoni. Ikaw na lang wala. Maritoni.
Meron na po, sir.
Nasaan ka? Ayun, okay. I'll take a picture na, ha? Kayo, guys, you can also take pictures. Screenshot nyo lang. And then we will upload na. Or you can upload in our Facebook page together with the video. Okay. Okay. So again, thank you guys for attending my class, and I hope you practice at home. It's a good training exercise, and you'll be very good. Magiging confident kayo sa using other commands. Again, reminder, you need to be accurate. Walang cheating sa AutoCAD. Ha? Okay, so we can stop the video na, and I'll see you next week during your prelims. I might give you AutoCAD exam and maybe online exam, question and answer, multiple choice. Okay? Or maybe manual lang siguro. I think manual is enough. Okay? Any more?
Wala na po, sir.
Okay. So, goodbye na sa inyo, and thank you for attending.
Thank you, sir.
Yung video, guys, ha?
Okay, sir. Thank you po.
Upload the video.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you, sir.